Hello traders, and welcome to today's video. It's my hope that you're doing good. For me, I'm okay. And I want to give sorry and my condolences to all Kenyan families who have been affected by the flooding. If you're not a Kenyan, let me let you know that we are facing a very crazy rain. Normally we don't expect a very heavy rain in the month of March. It's always maybe a week or 2 weeks, and the rain is not that much. So apparently it rained just 2 days. All the roads, most of the roads, not all of them, most of the roads, especially in the CBD or the capital city of the country, which is Kenya, they are flooded. The roads are flooded, homes are flooded. Literally everywhere has turned into a river. Okay, so I don't know. I'm sure so many people have been affected. Just from talking to someone who has told me that they've lost literally everything, businesses. Like, this rain went to a level of even 4-story building. It went up to 4 floors. People have lost everything. People have died. So many people were carried together with their cars because, of course, the rain, the roads turned into rivers. Okay, so I want to pass my condolences to the families who are bereaved, and also for those who have lost their property. I don't know how, but somehow God is gonna do something. Okay, only God can take you through this, right? So today I said, let me just do a video. We do a live analysis on Euro USD. Euro is a pair that I've been back testing. I really don't trade it that much. So I said, let me back test Euro this year and see how it goes. So I want us to go to the chart, do live analysis and see how the market will play out. Okay, let's do this. And in case you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, give the video a like, and don't forget to comment something on the comment section. Let me know how you're doing, where you're watching me from, and we'll get to catch up. Okay, thanks a lot. To begin with, I'm gonna start with the opening Euro USD, and for me, I prefer working with forex.com as my broker. So this where we are. We're going to start our analysis from a daily time frame. Euro is bullish, and this is the order block where the market is reacting from. Okay, I'm also going to map out the order block, the break of structure to where the market tapped originally, so that I get to understand what actually the market is doing. Okay, remember, it's better to understand what you're doing than the placing the trade. Anyone can place the trade, but knowing how to analyze the market is totally different. Okay, once you've known how to analyze the market, you just get your discipline fixed and you let the market come to you. Okay, you don't chase the market. If the market decides to give you money, it's gonna give you money. If it doesn't, believe you me, it's not gonna give you anything. Instead, it will take it from you. Okay, so this is my last break of structure to the downside, and what I'm mapping right now is the break, is the change of character, meaning that we are buying. Okay, we are just looking for a strategic place where we can place our buy. So we will narrow down analyzing and fixing everything to see if we can get a strategic entry. So let's keep refining. We keep refining from daily down to my entry time frame. Okay, when I talk of my entry time frame, it doesn't mean that should be your entry time frame. We are different. If you take your trades from 1 minute, it's okay. Remember, I'm just sharing how I analyze the market. Okay, also, if you have a different analysis of Euro USD, you can share it on the comment section. Nowadays, I saw there's a way you can share a photo. Yeah, I saw there's a way you can share your photo or a photo on the comment section. So be sure to do it. So in case you have any question on what I'm analyzing, or you have a different view of the market, you can always tell us what you're seeing. Because for me, this is what I'm seeing, and this is what I'll be waiting for. Okay. Remember, in Forex, discipline is everything, right? You can know how to. Learning the strategy takes less time. It can take you a week, a month, some months. But of course, you can't learn a strategy for a year. Like, serious, you can't learn a strategy for a whole year. So once you've learned the strategy, it takes a different step to gather that capital. Number two, to gather that discipline, because in Forex, discipline is everything. You got to be disciplined no matter what. Okay, so I don't know how, but believe me, 80% of traders, they just profitable traders, they just fixed the mental parts and they are good to go. Okay, just fix your discipline, fix your emotions, fix your set rules for yourself. If you are still breaking your own rules, my dear, you have a very long way to go. If you say, not unless I see all these confluences in my trade before I place it, I'll not be doing it, and you end up breaking those rules, I think you have a very long way to go. Sit down, set rules for yourself, depending on the kind of a trader you are. Once you've set the rules for yourself, make sure you follow those rules. Breaking one of the rules creates a distance between you and the profitability stage. Okay? So it's a matter of choice. The reason you hear everybody say Forex is hard is because it takes discipline. Discipline is boring. Discipline means you do the same things repeatedly and repeatedly and again. So tell me, you'll repeat that thing and again, and it's boring, and you have to do it so that you can make that money or you protect your capital. Okay? So it's up to you. Also, if you're interested to learn Forex, I do teach Forex trading. You can email me. My email is always on the comment section. You can email me. You can call me. I have a number on the comment section. Sorry, on the description box. And we get to have the classes started, okay? As I told you, we are in a rainy season and my network is hanging. Right now, as you can see, the chat is not moving. So just stay tuned. Let me change the network. Good to go. So this is my area of focus where you can see that order block. We are on 30 minutes. We also have this we have that demand zone, which is seated pretty light around that place, but the market is far from there. So if the market breaks at the level that we're waiting for the buy, we will wait for it to the extreme level. I remember someone asked me how you know which, if you have a couple of order blocks and they are all valid, how do you know which one to wait for? Number one, you have to make sure that there's liquidity before market taps you in, because if there's no liquidity, it means you are the liquidity. Okay. Number two, you have to have all your confluences intact, and then you can place your trade. Okay, something else you can use, is the fib tool. Let me show you my fib tool. You can use a Fibonacci tool. We have the premium zone and the discounted zone. So for a buy, you have to weight it down here. We have the 50-50 zone, which means your trade is a 50-50. I would prefer waiting for my trades at the discount zone with no rush. I just wait for my trades there. If market comes to me, well and good. If market doesn't, of course, I protect my capital, which is the best thing to do ever. So this where I am waiting for a buy, and my SL or stop loss is at below the week rejection, right? So this is a trade where we are risking, let me show you. For this trade, we are risking 15 pips to catch 208 pips, okay? But along the way, I will take partials along the way. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and let's meet on my next video. Bye.